The inspiration for the Foundry model really began in the early 2010s. We were discovering that a lot of the young people that we were trying to help get off the streets, stabilize their mental health, had come from other parts of British Columbia. And many of their stories were the same, that in their hometown, wherever they were, they had tried to get support for their mental health or their substance use concerns or health problems, and had really struggled to find help. The first Foundry on Granville Street was opened in 2015, and that center brought in multiple services for the first time in one space. And really that was the first time that we had integrated youth services in Canada, and it really felt like a game changer where young people could come in through one door and receive the services that they needed when they needed them.
Well, we started off with the prototype with one center, which we're celebrating our 10-year anniversary. We have 35 centers that'll be opening by 27-28, but we're aiming for 55 centers.
The funding for our program early on came from St. Paul's Foundation. Folks at St. Paul's Foundation really understanding that if we didn't do this work, no one else would. And even though we weren't necessarily funded by the government to do the work, it was critical that it happen. What we do today with Foundry just wouldn't be possible if it hadn't been for the St. Paul's Foundation as well as Providence Healthcare.
So the first day I ever walked through the Foundry Center door at Abbotsford, it was February 14th, 2019. And I had to make a safety plan the first time. If you don't really know what that is, it means I was going to go kill myself. So I had a lot going on. Honestly, like, the help I was able to get, it was so impactful, and I kept going back. And now, with my job at Foundry, I'm going to start rec therapy at Douglas, and I want to do that, and I want to take my whole career and just go further with Foundry and help all the youth, because I just want to give them the same opportunities that I was given. We literally talked about this in group on Tuesday, and all the kids said the same thing. It's connection, it's community, and it's life-saving.
The Foundry initiative would not be possible without the generosity and support of our donors over the years. Our dream is to raise $20 million to open 20 new centers to support 20,000 youth to get this healthcare and social services that they need when they need them.